How a three-way switch is physically constructed. Construction of a three-way switch. Front view of a three-way switch. Handle with two working positions. Yoke. Ground screw attached to the metal yoke. Rivets that hold all the main parts of the switch assembly together, visible from the front of the switch. Yoke ears that support the switch against the wall finish, which can be removed for some installations if necessary. Screws securing the switch to the junction box. Holes for screws securing the switch wall plate. Rating of the switch. Type of wires allowed to be connected to the switch. Three-way switch, rear view. Connection terminal, black screw, for the common wire, from the power source or to the light outlet. Connection terminals, gold screws, for traveler wires, to the other three-way or four-way switch. Rivets that hold all the main parts of the switch assembly together, visible from the back of the switch. Push-in terminals for rear wiring. This type of wiring is not recommended as it does not provide a good connection. Release mechanism for removing wires from push-in terminals. Strip gauge for wires used for rear wiring. Description of the type of wire that can be used for rear wiring. Parts of a three-way switch after cutting the rivets. Switch base with contacts and terminal screws. Top cover of the switch base with the switch handle. Yoke. With ground screw. And installation screws. Inside view of the switch base. And switch cover separated after the rivets were broken. Switch base with contacts and terminal screws for connecting the wires. Common screw terminal, black screw. With fixed and spring contact. One of the screw terminals, gold screw, for the traveler wires. With spring contact. Second screw terminal, gold screw, for the traveler wires. With fixed contact. A spring holding the handle cone allows the handle to be easily moved from one position to another and keep it in that position. Stoppers that hold the handle in the desired position after switching. Inside view of the switch cover with the switch handle. The handle is inserted into the slot in the switch's front cover and hinged in the handle hinge slot in the switch's front cover. The cone of a switch handle that is inserted into the spring inside the switch. A switch handle arm that depresses the switch spring contact when the switch handle is in one of the two positions. Second switch handle arm that depresses the switch spring contact when the switch handle is in the opposite position to the first. Stoppers on the switch handle, which stop the handle when it touches the switch base stopper, keeping the handle in the right position. A closer look at the switch handle. Switch handle hinges, which fit into the switch cover hinge slots. The switch handle cone that engages the spring in the switch base. The arms of a switch handle that depress on the spring contacts in the switch base. When the switch is snapped into one position or the other.